is because there was black thread on this. I learned how to sew from you, Mama. Because
And Granny.
yes, because once when we were 4, Granny, she got us a kit, and we could sew a reindeer thingy. This side.
And you're actually fixing your toy yourself, and that's really awesome.
Since I learned how to sew, she's done. Look at that.
Yeah.
No.
So we now just have to finish off by doing 3 more stitches very close together. No, at the bottom. Yeah. So you need to make 3 stitches very close together. So 1.
Why do I have to do 3 stitches very
So we don't want it to come off, to come undone.
2?
Beautiful. Yeah. So now you can get a scissors and cut that, and you have fixed your baby unicorn.
You just said I am actually better than I'm adding a skirt for this little one.
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
or
we
I
can
could-
sew a skirt for it if you want.
Or if I could do it today, because it's not nighttime and it's not my bedtime, and I'm off my computer, so I could make it now.